memorable memory. My most memorable memory is when I went to the Philippines with my parents. My most memorable memory is when I went to the Philippines because it was the first trip I went in 2024. Also, I went to Philippine Boho in April for a family vacation. First, when I went to the Philippines Boho, I went swimming every morning and every night with my mom and my dad, so it was very fun. Also, I went snorkeling with big and small fishes and turtles. When I went into the water, I saw a gigantic whale shark that was 50 times bigger than me. After I went snorkeling and swimming with whale sharks, I went to a Philippines restaurant and ate delicious food and also drank a pineapple smoothie and a mango smoothie. The reason why it was memorable is because it was my first trip in 2024. And the second reason is because it was my first time in the Philippines, so I was very excited. Thank you for listening to my presentation.